Hi, I'm Micah with TDA Global Cycling. Today we're going to give you some important tips to help you pack for your upcoming adventure. We'll go over baggage allowances, choosing a bag, organizing your stuff, protecting your electronics, the daily and permanent bag system, and more. The baggage allowance varies between camping and hotel tours. On hotel tours, you're allowed one duffel bag of up to 110 liters, which you'll have access to every night at the end of your ride. On camping tours, you're allowed two duffel bags of up to 110 liters each. On all of our tours, each bag must weigh no more than 23 kilograms. This is usually the same weight limit as your flight, but don't push it. You'll also have to carry your bag to and from your hotel room or campsite every night. Everything must go in your bag. You can't have anything strapped to the outside of your bags, and you can't put any loose items in the truck. The only exception to this rule is, on longer tours you're allowed to store one set of tires in the support vehicle. And of course, whatever you carry on your bike is not included in these limits. There are tons of duffel bags out there. Whichever one you choose, you want it to be water resistant and very durable. Suitcases are not allowed. Everyone has their own ideas about how to organize their bags. If you have a system that works for you, great, but if you want some advice, we suggest compartmentalizing. You can use smaller bags to keep similar items together. You can use packing cubes, compression sacks, or even simple plastic bags. For example, you can group items together as follows. Shelter, including tent and sleeping gear, clothes, toiletries, spare parts, office, including books, journal, maps, passport, and money, electronics, and so on. Taking care of electronics on tour can be a challenge. For that reason, we don't recommend bringing a laptop. Tablets can do a lot of the same stuff and are easier to protect in your bag. A good hard case for a tablet can go a long way, and you can sandwich it between other soft items like clothes for additional protection. Any electronics should be in some type of waterproof bag. On rainy days, you want to make sure that they won't be damaged by any other wet gear in your duffel. On camping tours, you're allowed two duffel bags. One of these is your daily bag, which you'll have access to every night, and the other is your permanent bag, which you'll only have access to on rest days. On hotel tours, you'll just have a daily bag, but you won't need any camping gear, so you should have plenty of space. Your daily bag should contain all of your camping gear, enough clothing to last you till the next rest day, toiletries and medication, and so on. Your permanent bag will carry any extra clothes, extra supplies of medication, spare parts, and anything else you won't need on a typical riding day. Now, let's take a look at some badly packed bags. Remember, nothing strapped to the outside of your bags, no suitcases, and no unnecessary stuff. Once you're finished packing your bags, you may want to reorganize them for your flight. You can shift things around and use some of your camping gear or other soft items as padding in your bike box. That's all for this video. Now that your bags are packed, you can get started on packing up your bike.